Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about something a little different. My puppy started, I thought it was hyperventilating. It's like she was hyperventilating and she couldn't breathe. And I found her sneezing every now and then. So it was outside, like I was totally going crazy. So I called my vet, let my vet know, that she was sneezing and it's like she was hyperventilating. And she let me know, once we got there, she let me know that it was called reverse sneezing. Never in my life have I ever heard of reverse sneezing. When I say it scared the mess out of me. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of clip of what she did so you will know what to do if it happens to your dog. And she just told me what to do is to just take their neck and just, when they up, just give them a good caress. Like just try to talk them through it. Just caress them and talk them through it. And they also have told me to give her Benadryl for her sneezing. So I give her half a Benadryl. I'm just telling you what the vet told me. When she told me it was called reverse sneezing, because I let her see a video of it, I was thinking to myself, yeah, right, that is not true. And she said, look it up. And I looked it up and it is true. So again, it's called reverse sneezing. Wanted to show you guys it first offhand. If your puppy, dog have ever done that, please leave comments below and let me know how it went, what you do, and was you as scared as I was. Like, for real, they are like our little family member. So when things happen to them, it's just so crazy because it happened outside. She sniffs everything. And in Georgia, March 20th is going to be springtime. So my vet let me know she has allergies. Yes, she has allergies. I don't want to be giving her Benadryl all the time because I'm not a medicine person. So I will be giving it to her as needed. But again, just wanted to show you guys, I will include a video. Don't forget to subscribe for more information on dogs, cooking, all that good stuff. And again, leave the comments below if you had to go through reverse sneezing and what did you do and all that good stuff. Okay. Again, they just say comfort them. It's best, and just kind of try to walk them and talk them through it and be calm. It was easy for me to be calm now because I went to the vet and she let me Google it and look it up. Now I'm calm, but at first I'm telling you, it's scary, but you will get through it. Okay, guys? Pull, pull, pull. You're okay, pull. You all right? Bless you.